don't know if you heard the saying that SaaS is 80% margin, AI SaaS is 0% margin. 100% SaaS revenue, so static, and then it's pivoting to AI-driven SaaS. So their cost, think about last year, the GPU per GPU per hour was like $9 or 6, 7, 9, back to like 3 if you own interruptible instances, right? So the swing is like 300% within the same day. But then their revenue is static, right? So their margin is like positive 40% to negative 60 to positive, and there's no way for them to manage it. And then they obviously complain. Totally struck me to be, hey, this industry needs financial infrastructure layer. It's almost like talking to American Airlines, say, hey, airline, you cannot hedge your oil prices fluctuation. How are they going to price their tickets? But today, if you're CoreWeave or hyperscalers, you can go to those, whoever, right, produce chips, right? But if you and me start Neo Cloud, guess what? We don't have access to kind of pricing. You have a few players who have the pricing, who have the way to hedge it, but then the smaller players just couldn't get in the game. I was like, man, someone needs to do the index, the pricing, the benchmarking layer of the GPU. Compute as human resource, I feel like, will be the biggest human resource in the next few years, surpass all energy combined. So fix the problem with transparency from get-go is really, really critical.
That's a fascinating concept because, like, you're right. Like, we need that because, like, the scarcity of GPU compute is a real issue. Like, it comes up, like, and if Amazon and
the volatility, how do you can't, which is breeds inefficiency, right?
So I didn't really think of like kind of this market kind of response to it, which I think is an interesting approach.
But now every company becomes AI, which is great company, but then their cost structure is shifting from zero cost to 40%, 60%, 80% to token or to GPU at the end, right? Can you hedging it? That's one of the things I really think I should encourage people thinking about tokens and GPUs as a main cost structure. How can we drive efficiency so people can, commit and then get out if they need to, and then swap out, and everyone gets more value, right? And efficiency from those transactions. SiliconData.com, silicondata.com.